Big Things Kitchen. You make the food them finger licking. Chef Juliana, teach them up.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Big Things Kitchen, and in today's video I'll be making ESCOVITCH fish. Yes, you know it's Easter season and we normally eat a lot of fish, a lot of bun and a lot of cheese. In my previous videos I already made a bun, you can go check that out. And in today's video I'm making ESCOVITCH fish. I've already washed this fish with vinegar and lime, and I've already seasoned the fish, leaving it to marinate. And I'm going to cut up my vegetables that I'm going to use to make the ESCOVITCH. I'm going to use some vinegar. After I cut it up, I'll let you guys see what I've done. But I'm using 3 bell peppers. I'm using the orange, red, and the yellow. I'm using 2 Scotch bonnet pepper, a medium-sized onions, and I may use 2 carrots. So stick around and watch until I come back to my channel. So I've just finished preparing the vegetables. I've chosen to do the julienne strips and I made my onions into nice beautiful onion rings. I've chosen to also use some green pepper, so I'm doing a variety of colors. So yes, you can go ahead and do those strips. I'm going to first go ahead and make the sauce to go on the fish, which is the pickle sauce. So on medium to low heat, I'm gonna add 3/4 cups of vinegar, pure white vinegar, and to that I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then I'm gonna go in with my pepper and my thyme. So I'm just gonna go in with that, and I'm using 1.5 pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper. You can make it as spicy as you want to, but I'm using 1.5 pepper. And then I'm going to add my onions, because I want to incorporate that pepper into these vegetables. So I'm gonna add these, and I'm gonna leave for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna add my remaining vegetables. So it's about a minute in, and I also added, I forgot to tell you, I also added some pimento, so you can smell that aroma. So now I'm gonna add my carrots. I'm gonna add my carrots to the sauce. Let me turn it down. I'm gonna go ahead and add my carrots. And I'm also gonna add the remaining vegetables, but I'm gonna give the carrots about a minute before I add my bell peppers. Let me incorporate this into the liquid, and you can smell that aroma. It's nice and spicy. You can smell that aroma. Beautiful. Look at it. I'm gonna leave that for a minute on medium to low heat, and then I'm gonna incorporate my remaining vegetables. Here we go. It's about a minute and a half since my carrots are in. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my bell peppers. I'm gonna add, and they're also cut into julienne strips, and you can smell the vinegar and the pepper, the pimento, and the thyme. This aroma is delicious. I'm gonna leave it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna set it aside, and then I'm gonna show you how I make my fried fish. I'm gonna put this on it. And yes, remember I'm making ESCOVITCH fish. Please remember to press the subscribe button, like, share, leave a comment. This is Big Things Kitchen, and I'm making ESCOVITCH fish, Jamaican style. Look at it. You don't want to overcook your vegetables because you want it to be a little bit crunchy. So please don't overcook your vegetables. The sauce, the pickle sauce for the fish is ready. I'm setting it aside to cool, and I'm gonna move on to my fish. Over here I have my fish that's already seasoned, and I have my oil. I've added half of Scotch bonnet pepper and a clove of garlic to the oil. I'm gonna leave to be hot, and then I'm gonna add my fish to make my ESCOVITCH fish, Big Things Kitchen style. If you like our videos, please remember to press the subscribe button, leave a comment, tell us what you're having for Easter. Because you know, in Jamaica, even though I'm not in Jamaica, we celebrate Easter with a lot of fish, a lot of bun and cheese, and some of us bread. I made a bun video the other day. Please check it out. Leave a thumbs up on that. And yes, stick around. I'm doing my ESCOVITCH fish. Guys, I went ahead and I added some fish to the oil. And it's coming along nice. Smells so good. Yes, we're making ESCOVITCH fish, Big Things Kitchen style. And the fish is properly seasoned. Added some hot pepper into the oil, some cloves of garlic to incorporate that garlic and pepper into the fish from the get-go. Look at it, beautiful. The smell is so amazing. Beautiful. It looks amazing. And remember to drain your excessive oil on a piece of paper towel. That way you will reduce your oil intake, because you know frying absorbs a lot of oil. But when you drain the excessive oil, it presents less grease when you're eating. Please guys, remember to subscribe, leave a comment, share my video, and also press the bell icon so you'll be notified for my future videos. Big Things Kitchen, we're making ESCOVITCH fish, and it's Good Friday. It's a long weekend. I know many of you guys are staying home from work and you're just preparing fish, bun, cheese. You'll see my previous video again where I did my bun video, so I'm not going to present any bun with my fish today because I already did a bun and cheese video. So yes, go ahead and check out those videos, share them, leave a comment. Big Things Kitchen, continue to watch as I show you the end of my ESCOVITCH fish. And there you have it, straight out of Big Things Kitchen, ESCOVITCH fish, Jamaican style. It looks delicious and it's very colorful. I have my pimento, my thyme, my onions, my pepper, that's my green pepper, my red pepper, my yellow pepper, and my orange pepper. Looking delicious. ESCOVITCH fish. Please remember to leave a comment, like, share, and press the bell icon so you could be notified for my future videos. This is Big Things Kitchen. Thank you for watching.
Big things big things big things big things big things go on for your cooking. The fans them a say the food look finger licking. Big things go on for your cooking. You get enough likes when them see the courage.